Hey everyone, I got an exciting case to show you today, and it's an exciting case because just look at these smiles. Look how it's transformed. This is also an interesting case because as a cosmetic dentist, I use a lot of different techniques to restore smiles. We use porcelain veneers, which is what most cosmetic dentists do. I also use composite and the BioClear technique to restore teeth. We also use dental implants and dentures, and sometimes teeth need to be completely replaced like this. So we have dentures, and a lot of times these are supported by implants, and you can see how not only does it look better, obviously, but it's so transformative in this person's life. Let's take a look here. You can see from the side, the teeth are just completely gone, and you can imagine how unhealthy this is as well. It hurts in times, it comes and goes, but just having this chronic infection in our mouth for years is really not a great place to be. Here's another view from the other side, okay? And then here's the real killer. Look how much younger he looks. He looks amazing. You know, he's such a great guy, and he looks, 20 years, I don't know, 15, 20 years younger. I mean, he's a completely different person just because now he can smile. He doesn't have to worry about people looking at his teeth. He's also a lot healthier, and that shows in his face. So we use a lot of different ways to fix people's smile, make them healthier. If it's something you're interested in and you're not sure if you're a candidate, what you can do is you can click the button in my bio or go to my website and you can submit a virtual consult. You send me some photos and I'll send you back a personalized video telling you what your options could be.